Here we go. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some salmon puff pastries, and because these guys are predictable, and I know when I start opening cans up, they're going to bug me, so I'm going to preempt them, give them some cat treats. Are you hungry? Aww. What is it, babies? Are you hungry? Aw, Tofu. Tofu. Hey, darling. Marble. You'll be okay, Marby. Okay. Here they are. This. Hey, Tofu. Starving kitties. Aw, you're okay, Tofu. Darwin. Marby. Hi, guys. Okay. Hi, Morris. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Woo. Okay, what is this? Hey, you get your fish too, but cat type tricks. There it is. There it is. Here for a sec. Here for a sec, baby. Okay, here's another one. Hey guys, right here. Darling, here. Okay. Mission accomplished, I think. Hey guys, for a sec. Okay, guys. Okay. Now, make my string balls and messy cutlery stuff first. And that's what I have to do, because otherwise when I start opening these cans up, they will push me, make me get messier, okay? Get in there, Curry. Okay, no one's bugging me. Okay. I'll let you guys lick the salmon can too. Look. There you go, Curry. Okay, obviously I'm not gonna starve ever, but hey Curry, get in there, Curry. Okay guys, thanks for amusing me.